Today I'm going to be reviewing UpNourish Probiotics. This has 200 billion CFUs, 15 strains that have been clinically tested, and I'll put those up on the screen so you can know what they are in there. These are the vegetable capsules. They're not very big. You take 2 of them, you get 60 in each bottle. Just so you know, I did get this sent to me by UpNourish to try out, and I'm very happy with this. I had stopped my other probiotic that I was on so I can go and try this one. I have tried this over the past 5 days, and it really brought everything back to normal for me. I do have a lot of stomach issues, and my GI doctor told me that I should take a probiotic prebiotic combo, which this is, with fiber to help with my gassiness and just stomach problems that I have, and this really works well. What's nice about this is that this got 4.4 stars on Amazon, which is the minimum I like to see, but it did hit that. It's got 1,067 reviews, and 700 plus of these were bought last month. So right there, you know that people like this, and the reviews are really good. Overall, I am happy with this. The price is good. The price is right around where everything else is, maybe even a little cheaper. So if you're looking for a probiotic, this is definitely one to try to see if it works well for you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.